Yes, and it is all for you. Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Alright, open the present. There is a lot of Star Wars toys here. Oh. What's this?
Lego Star Wars.
Lego Star Wars. Wow. I love the Star Wars. This Lego has 792 pieces. Whoa, what is it?
It's a Star Wars Lego room.
Wow. Look, guys. And it's all yours. Are you Darth Vader? Do you need help?
It's a Lego Star Wars. Really big. A Skywalker.
Skywalker, wow! Look, guys. It has 83 pieces. No way! Whoa! See?
Wow.
And it's all yours. Yes, all yours. Oh, you're welcome. Chewbacca! Oh. Who is it?
Yeah, it's Secret Form.
Is Secret Form?
Yeah.
Chewbacca mask? Let me see. Let's see what this do. Thank you.
It's Chewbacca.
You got my finger, look. Oh no. What is it?
Star Wars Lego. They got them all.
The Star Wars Hot Wheels. Wow, look guys.
Oh.
Star Wars Hot Wheels. Nice. Another Hot Wheels, guys. Look.
Wow.
It's- You
Oh,
need to go crazy. Relax, buddy. Hey, relax, buddy. Hey. No. Oh no.